Hi everybody, hope everyone's having a fantastic night. I'm here to tell you a little bit about Perrier, which is a sparkling natural mineral water. I heard about Perrier at Bastille Day in New York City, which was back in July, and I attended. It was a really great, fun event. It was like a sporting event, and then they had all these tents up with delicious French food. It was actually in Brooklyn, and they were actually giving away different flavors of Perrier, and I'm embarrassed to say it was my first time trying it, and I'm obsessed because really all I drink is like water, seltzer, sparkling waters. I don't really do juice that often. Now, I do it for its taste and its natural benefits, but that's not one of the huge things that I drink. I normally just stick to sparkling waters and water, try to keep the calorie count low. So I love these little cans because I feel like they're small, they're not too big, and they're like, a lot of times with seltzer, sometimes I won't be able to drink the whole can that fast because like just the bubbles are just like sometimes they're just hard to like sit in your stomach, but this is like the perfect amount because it's not that big of a can. It's only 250 milliliters or 8.45 ounces, so the same as like a cup of water. So this has 0 calories and 0 sweeteners. It is source Perrier, captured at the source in France. Sparkling natural mineral water comes in all different flavors. This is strawberry. This is my favorite kind. It's with natural strawberry flavor and other natural flavors, low mineral content. There are 0 calories per can, and this is the barcode on the back. Recyclable can. Has the Best by 6/15/19, June 2019. Tells you the nutrition facts. So it's kosher and contains no juice at all. Nutrition facts: serving size is 1 can. Calories 0, total fat 0, sodium 0, total carbs 0, sugar 0, protein 0, calcium 4%. Ingredients are carbonated mineral water, natural flavors, and it is distributed by Nestle Waters in North America Incorporated, Stamford, Connecticut, 06902 USA. Keep in a clean, cool, dry, and odorless place away from direct sunlight. I just keep them in my refrigerator as soon as they're delivered to me. You can buy them in the store or online. And if you don't put it in the recycling bin, you can deposit for 5 cents depending where you live, or 10 cents in certain states. I'm in New York, so it's always 5 cents, but I usually just put them in my recycle bin. Easy to open top. Just flip this, pull, you'll hear it pop and it will be open for you. The strawberry is it's basically clear with like a little pink hue to it, like the color of strawberry. For questions or a report on water quality and information, there's the number you could contact, or Perrier.com. Discover more at Perrier.com, and V04561, source Perrier, Borghese, France, product of France, copyright 2016. And there's the please recycle print on the side. So I like this too because it's not overly sweet. It's just got like the nice little tinge of strawberry to it. It's absolutely delicious, and you don't have to worry about, if you're on special diet or whatever, worry about the sugars or the carbs at all, because there's literally none in here. So it's just lightly sweetened with strawberry, refreshing. I remember for Bastille Day, it was like an insanely hot day. I was dying of heat, and this just tasted so refreshing, and it was nice to have something like a little flavored. Sometimes water can get boring and you just want to switch it up and have a little bit more flavor, and this Perrier is absolutely perfect for that. So I hope you guys try it out if you haven't yet, and I hope you guys really like Perrier strawberry. Delicious French sparkling natural mineral water. I hope you love it. And I really hope you found the video useful. And I believe this comes in a 12-pack, a nice box, so nice and easy to get delivered or keep in storage at your house. So hope you guys try it out. Hope you love it, and I thank you for watching. See you later.